Here's how to delete hundreds of Facebook violating posts in 5 minutes. Yes, I said so. I know this is one of the tools Facebook don't want you to know, but let me tell you. In my previous video, I did tell you reasons why you should clean up your Facebook post before I accept Facebook content monetization, but I never showed you how. Now on this video, I'm going to walk you on a step-by-step guide on how to get this thing done in 5 minutes. Instead of you going to carry your Facebook, open your account and start scrolling down, looking for that particular video. No, you don't have to do that. That's what it is. Come, I'm going to show you a very short step on how to get this done. But before I do that, please like my video, share, and comment something meaningful on the comment section, and share this video to a friend to save somebody on this. Okay, you know what? Come, let's dive in. Let's go there. Switch to my profile first of all. So I'm switching to my profile now. So as you can see now, this is my profile. This is my profile.
For conventional quotes.
Click on your profile picture. Click on your profile picture. Then the next thing you do, you click on settings. And once you click on settings, just wait for the app to do its thing. Then scroll all the way down. Just be scrolling down, be scrolling down, be scrolling down, be scrolling down till you see activity log. Then you click on it. It opens. Immediately it opens. Here is where, this is where you see all the magic. Everything you've ever done on Facebook is here. You can see public post, public tag, live video, story activities, page likes. This is all the page you've liked. For example, okay, let me just use one page like for example for you now. Click on it. You see now all the page you've liked. All of them are going to display. Are you seeing them? Are you seeing them? These are all the pages. So if you can click here and you see unlike. This is where all your activities on Facebook is being hidden. It's just like the history of all your history is here. The people you are following, the friends you added, the video you searched, the video you watched, the search history. You understand? So any of this that you know you want to undo, you come here. All the comments you've ever done on people's posts, here's where you get all of them. All the comments, you come here, you search for comments, group search, look at your comment, you click on it. Once you open that comment, now you see every place you've commented, you see all the comments there. All the posts you've commented, you see all of them. Anyone you want to undo, you click on here. You see what you say delete. You can delete your comment from previous posts. Yes, and but that's not why we are here. I will do another video on this specially. The reason why I'm here now, you go to how to use the search bar, how to use this the filter bar. This one now, you come to public post. Once you click on this public post, now you see this is where how you remove those copy and paste video you be posting on your page for a long time. This is it. You see all of them here. Are you seeing them? Here. Then if you look at your left, you can see this thing is regarded as filter, the filter button. You click on it. Once you click on it now, you can decide to say public, all, date, and categories. If you click on categories now, you can see your post, your post, Facebook, and videos. Checking your post on other people's timeline, your post hidden from profile, other people's post to your feed. Are you getting me? If you are scared of other people's post to your feed now, what you do now, you click on this other people's post to your feed by category. Are you seeing it? These are other people's posts I have here. Then I can click on all. Then I can click on remove. I'm removing all of them now from my feed. It's asking for my password. Then I'll put my password to make sure I'm the one that is authorizing the remove. Once I put my password, it is done.